Welcome to mathematics class. Here we are comparing two fractions. We have studied how to compare the given two fractions. That is, it may be equal or smaller than or greater than between two given fractions. But here are some diagrams. We have to convert these first into fractions. We have to write the fractions for the diagrams given here. You can easily write down because you have got idea about how to write the fractions for the given diagram. Here how many parts are made in a whole? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts are made. So 8 becomes the denominator, and how many parts are made? 1, 2, 3. So 3 by 8. Next one. How many parts are made here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of it, how many are shaded? 6 are shaded. That means 6 upon 8. Here, 8 parts, and how many are shaded? 4 are shaded. So it is 4 by 8. Here, 8 parts. Out of 8, only one is shaded. And in the part B, how many parts are made here? 9 parts. And how many are shaded?
8.
So what is the fraction?
8 by 9.
Yes, correct. Now next one, how many parts are made?
9.
And how many are shaded?
4.
So what is the fraction?
4 by 9.
And here, how many parts are made?
9.
And how many are shaded?
3.
So the fraction is?
3 by 9.
And how many are parts here? Parts made here?
9.
So out of 9, how many are shaded?
6.
So what is the fraction?
6 by 9.
Good. So what to do next? We have to arrange them in ascending order. Ascending means which one first? Smaller one. Which is the smallest fraction here?
1 by 8.
So first write 1 by 8. And next one?
3 by 8.
Yes. And next?
4 by 8.
And biggest one is?
6 by 3.
6 by 8. So in this way you have to write in ascending order. 1 by 8, next 3 by 8, next 4 by 8, and lastly 6 by 8. And descending is reverse of it. First you have to write 8 by 6, then 4 by 8, 6 by 8, 4 by 8, then 3 by 8, and lastly 1 by 8. It is descending. Then here which is the smallest fraction?
3 by 9.
And next?
4 by 9.
And next?
6 by 9.
And lastly the biggest one is?
9 by 9.
8 by 9. So first one 1, and second one, and third, and lastly fourth. So this gives you ascending order. Descending means first, second, third, and last 3 by 9. Reverse of the ascending order. Here question number C, show 2 by 6, 4 by 6, 8 upon 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. First you have to draw a number line and we have to represent these. Then put appropriate signs between the fractions given. Here fractions are given, you have to put appropriate means is it equal or smaller than, greater than. 5 by 6 and 2 by 6, are they equal?
No.
And here which is bigger?
5 by 6.
So this is bigger than 2 by 6. Bigger means it is greater symbol. And next 3 by 6 and 0. 0 is bigger or 3 by 6 is bigger?
3 by
6 is greater than the 0. 0 means nothing. So 1 by 6 and 6 by 6. Which is bigger?
6 by 6.
Yes, 6 by 6 is greater. 1 by 6 is smaller than the 6 by 6. And 8 by 6, 5 by 6. Which is greater?
8 by 6.
Yes. 8 by 6 is greater than
5 by 6.
5 by 6. In this way, you have to compare. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. This is also same way. 3 by 6 is smaller than 5 by 6. Right? Then 1 by 7 is greater than or 1 by 4 is greater?
1 by 7.
7 is greater than. No. Here it is reverse of it. Smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. Bigger the denominator, smaller the fraction. Now 1 by 7 is smaller than 1 by 4. Okay. Next, 4 by 5 is greater or 5 by 5 is greater?
5 by 5.
Yes, 4 by 5 is smaller than 5 by 5. 3 by 5, 3 by 7.
3 by 7.
7 is greater or 3 by 5 is greater? 3 by 5. Smaller the denominator, bigger the fraction. Bigger the denominator, smaller the fraction. So 3 by 5 is greater than 3 by 7. Make 5 more such pairs and put appropriate signs. You have to prepare such pair of fractions and put symbol. Now look at these and write smaller, bigger or greater than between the given pair of the fractions. Here, pair of fractions. What are given here? Zero by 1 and 1 by 1. What we have to put again? Symbol. Is it 0 by is 1 greater or 1 by is 1 greater?
1 by 1.
1 is greater. You have to put this symbol. 1 by 1 is greater than 0 by 1. 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. 0 by 2 is smaller than 1 by 2, right?
Yes.
And 2 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. In the same way, you have to put the symbols. So you have to do all this. I hope you will do all these. This is also same process. Make 5 such more problems and solve them with your friends. You have to make such pairs and put the appropriate symbol. Fill up appropriate symbol. This is also same work you have to do. Because here the denominators are different. In the earlier ones we have same denominator. We can decide which one is smaller and which one is bigger easily. But we have different denominators. So we have to solve them by taking division method and we have to make the denominator same. How? Let us solve. We have 1 upon 2, 5 by 1 upon 5. Denominators are not same. So how to decide which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller? First we have to make the denominators equal. So what is the LCM of 2 and 5? 5 2s are 10 is the LCM. So 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. Then 5 into 1 is 5 by 10. So we have to make the 10 as denominator. And another one, 2 1s are 2 and 10. So which is bigger here? You can easily decide. So 5 by 10 is greater than 2 by 10. So what is 5 by 10 here? 1 upon 2. You have to decide as in these two. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 5. Let us take one more example. We have 2 upon 4 and 3 by 6. in these two, the denominator 4 and 6, we have to make them same denominator. First we have to remove LCM of both. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, and 2 1s are and 3. So 3 1s are 3. Now we have to multiply these factors. That gives you LCM of 4 and 6. Therefore, LCM of 4 and 6 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Gives you, what is the LCM of this? By multiplying the factors, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 makes the denominator. Now 4 into how much is 12? 4 3s are and 6 2s are 12. So 2 3s are, you have to multiply these factors. 2 3s are 6 and 2 3s are 6 upon 6. Now decide which one is bigger. 6 by 6 is bigger. The appropriate symbol is 6 by 6 is bigger. So we have 3 by 6 is bigger than the 2 by 4. Next one, the C. We have 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. We have to make the denominators equal by taking the LCM of 5 and 3. What is the LCM of 5 and 3? Here both are prime numbers. So the product of both of 5 and 3 gives you LCM. 5 3s are 15 is the LCM, and this is the denominator. 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 3. First let us write the denominator. So 5 into how much is 15? 5 3s are 15. Then 3 into 5 is 15. So multiply the factors. 3 3s are 9. 5 2s are 10 upon 15. Now the denominators are same. So which one is bigger? 10 upon 15 is bigger than 9 upon 15. Next one. We have 3 upon 4 and 2 upon 8. So first let us take the LCM of 4 and 8. 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Again take the factor 2, 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Then lastly 2 1s are, 2 1s are. So multiply the factors. 2 into 2 into 2 gives you 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is the LCM. So let us make the 8 as the denominator. 4 2s are 8, 8 1s are 8. Then multiply the factors. 2 3s are 6 and 2 1s are 2 by 8. Now compare this. Which one is smaller? 2 by 8 is smaller. 6 by 8 is greater than 2 by 8. In the same way, you have to practice for the remaining pairs E and F from the page number 21 and also from the page number 22 also. So these sums also you have to do. From the question number 6. What is the question number 6? The following fractions represent just 3 different numbers. Separate them into 3 groups of equivalent fractions by changing each one to its simplest form. So we have 2 upon 12. Let us form the simplest form of it. Means we have to divide the numerator and denominator by same factor, that is 2. 2 ones are and 2 six are gives you 1 upon 6. Here also 3 ones are 3 fives are gives you 1 upon 5, and 2 fours are 2 25s are gives you 4 upon 25. Here also with the help of 4 you can divide it. 4 fours are 4 25s are. So 4 upon 25. Now 0 0 cancel, 1 upon 6. Like this we can get many same fractions. If you you can see these. Now 15 ones are 15 fives are 1 upon 5. Now you can see so many similar are there. Similar fractions. 1 upon 6 is similar to this is also simplest form is 1 upon 6. So like this we have to group them into similar fractions. So you also try. So 12 ones are 12 fives are 1 upon 5. Here also 1 upon 5. Of 3 upon 15, and this is also. So B and G are can be grouped, and also F. B, F and G can be grouped into equivalent fraction group. So likewise you also try from these given fractions and group them as equivalent fractions. Next question. Find the answers for the following. Write and indicate how you solved them. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? Is 9 by 16 equal to 5 by 9? Is 4 by equal to 16 by 20? And also this we have to try by taking the LCM of the each. Let us try one by one. Is 5 by 9 equal to 4 by 5? How to check? First let us write the fractions given as 5 upon 9 and 4 upon 5. The denominators are different. So let us find out the LCM of 9 and 5. So these are, we cannot get same factors for each. We don't have same factors other than 1. So we have to multiply and get the product. The product is 9 5 is 45 is the LCM of 9 and 5. So let us write the 45 as the denominator. Now 9 into how much is 45? 9 5s are. Then 5 9s are. 5 5s are 25. And next one 9 4s are 36 upon 45. Now we have same denominator. We can easily decide as which one is smaller, and 25 by 45 is smaller than 36 by 45. So let us write these are not equal because 25 upon 45 is smaller than 36 by 45. In this way we have to solve by making their denominators equal. Let me take another example. Is 9 by 6 equal to 5 by 9? Let us see. What is the denominator? We have to make equal denominator. What is the LCM of 6 and 9? 6 and 9. So we have 6 and 9. So what are the common factors for 6 and 9? We have 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Next 2 1s are, and keep the 3 as it is, and 3 1s are. Now multiply the factors, that gives you LCM. Therefore LCM of 6 and 9 is equal to 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Let us make the 18 as the denominator. So what is the factor that gives you 6 into 18 is 6 3s are and 9 2s are. So 9 3s are 27, 5 2s are 10 upon 18. So are they equal? No, they are not equal. Therefore, the given fractions 9 by 6 is not equal to 5 by 9. In this way, you have to check whether they are equal or not. So you also check for the remaining. Is 4 by 5 equal to 16 by 20? Is 1 by 15 equal to 4 upon 30? By this method. And try to solve all this.